Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Rosa. I'm here today, guys, with y'all. I want to take y'all along with me. I'm going to bake some turkey wings and for my dinner today, and also I'm having collard greens and some yellow rice and cornbread. But I want to show y'all how and what I use to bake my turkey wings. Okay? Hold on one moment and we're going to get started. But I already done washed my turkey wings and dried them off and cleaned them off. And this is my onion mixture. It's some onions. I'm going to show y'all what else I mix it with. It's so good. You have your chicken's turkey with this here on lemon pepper marinade. So I just lay them on top of the onion and then lemon pepper mixture sauce. And then I'm gonna put some, once I put my olive oil on it and rub them, I'm gonna rub it in so they can get so crispy. So yeah, I'm gonna rub the oil on them all over them so they can get real crispy while they're baking. And they're gonna bake for on the 350 for an hour, and then I'm gonna take them out covered. I'm gonna take them out the oven and then let them bake another hour for on 400. So I rub them. Wash my hands off. I use gloves because anytime I'm messing with some turkey or chicken or anything like that, I have to keep my gloves on. But anyway, I'm gonna use this garlic here. This is what I like to just put in it on top of it. Just a little bit on top. And also, I'm gonna put some butter in here too. Make it real crispy. But, yeah, so right there. So these are the sauces that I'm using. The seasonings. It's chicken seasoning from the Dollar Tree. It's bouillon because I'm gonna make my own broth with this. And then the garlic and pepper seasoning. And some Zatarain. I think I'm saying that Zatarain or whatever her name. I'm gonna show it to you in just a second. But I put this on there. Yeah, make sure you get them all coated real good on all the sides. And I don't put a whole lot of seasoning because when I get ready to do my gravy, I don't want my gravy to clash with it. But I want them good and seasoned because my gravy, I'm going to be using it from the bits that are going to be left in the pan. So I do want them seasoned pretty good. I'm just going to sprinkle a little of this on this side. Because like I said, I'm going to use this for my boil. But I'm going to use this here chicken seasoning. And you will cover it. And she will cover real good. Just like so. So I normally put this on it just for the taste, another taste. What is it? Sazan? Whatever. Y'all know how to say it, right? But anyway, I put this on it. It will give it such a good flavor. on one side. Ooh. Let me see if they fit in my little pan here. And then after I do that, guys, I put a little Worcestershire sauce and wash my hands off a little bit. Put a little Worcestershire sauce on them. A little bit. And my secret ingredient, Lipton onion sequence. So I really don't just put this on it. I just sprinkle it around the sides. And then around the sides of it. I was just going to get the water to thicken up a little bit in here. I mean, talk about something gonna be delicious. Oh my God. It's gonna be so good. And I just throw the rest of my onions I have left, I just put them on top. I love onions, guys. And my chicken, the rest of my bouillon seasoning, like I said, make them broth. And you don't put that much in there, you just go around the sides with it. Not on the chicken, but around the sides. Yeah, just like so. Then, that's it. You get the aluminum foil and you cover it up. Like I said, you cover it up. It looks amazing, just like that. And you cover it up and you put it in the oven on 350 for an hour. Let it bake for an hour. Then after it bake an hour, you'll take it out and reduce the heat to, boost the heat up, induce the heat to 400 and let it cook for another hour. So guys, after it cooked, like I said, an hour on the 350, you'll induce the heat to 400 and let it cook. Well, actually, I'm sorry, I had it backwards. 400, let it cook, then induce the heat, reduce the heat to 350 and let it cook another hour. Okay? I'll be back when this get done. So guys, yes. So they've been cooking an hour, and I just take them out. That's how they looking, guys. So delicious. So now I'm gonna put them back in. I made my gravy over here. I add a half a cup of flour with the broth that was in the pan, and yeah. So hold on a moment. Cooking. Went to the stove. So guys, the turkey wings is done, And they really look amazing. Y'all see how good they look? Look at that gravy down in there. Oh my goodness, Lord. They're gonna be so delicious. But yes, they are so delicious. So y'all see this gravy? Let's turn around. See this gravy? I'm putting on there. So good. It's down in there, down in the pan. I just scooping some on it, but you can have some all over them. Yeah. Hold on. Look at this plate. You see it? Look at them turkey wings, collard greens, and rice. Man, that's gonna be something good. Let me show you. Let me show y'all. Taste it. Collard greens. Taste it. You taste the turkey wing. Show you. Show you how it look. So good. So y'all like my videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like, share, and leave comments. So good. Bye.